The Atlanta Board of Education does not support Buckhead creating its own city. Earlier this week, board members formally opposed the posh section of Atlanta seceding from the city. Nearly 5,500 children who live in Buckhead are zoned for Atlanta Public Schools. If Buckhead becomes its own city, those children would have to go to Fulton County schools. Currently, that district does not have any schools in Buckhead. New at noon, a lawsuit filed in the case of a football player crushed to death by an elevator. Jamarcus McFarland's family demands answers and justice after the August tragedy. Rebecca Schramm live in downtown Atlanta with the brand new information we just learned. Rebecca, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Karen. Yeah, this is a 37-page wrongful death lawsuit. The mother of Jamarcus McFarland was not able to be here, but within the last hour, attorneys for the Cochran firm, her law firm, explained why they filed it.
His death was a direct relation of a multitude of failures.
Attorneys for the mother of Jamarcus McFarland announced that on her behalf, they're suing several parties, not for a specific dollar amount. They're requesting that a jury reward her for the value of his life.
Simply put, if these multitude of failures were corrected years, months, days before August 31st, Jamarcus will still be here.
McFarland, an 18-year-old from Missouri, was enrolled in Champion Prep Academy, a school that bridges the gap for student athletes hoping to get college scholarships. Its football players were living here at an aging high-rise called 444 Highland. On August 31st, McFarland was crushed and killed when an elevator in the building malfunctioned. A notice on one of the elevators showed it was more than a year overdue for an inspection. The building's owner blamed the previous owner and the athletes, saying they exceeded the weight limit when they packed into the elevator that day.
It's tough.
The following day, we spoke with McFarland's coach and owner of Champion Prep Academy, Michael Carson.
Jamarcus was definitely one of those kids that had the potential.
The school he now runs is among the parties being sued for wrongful death. The family is also suing the building's owner, management companies, and 3 elevator service companies.
We filed it on behalf of not only this family, but everybody out there who are in danger of this happening to them.
Now, there's a second lawsuit against the school, which also goes by the name Georgia Prep Academy, for failing to turn over the $20,000 raised on GoFundMe to raise funeral expenses for the family. We'll let you know when we get responses from any of the defendants. Live in downtown Atlanta, Rebecca Schramm, CBS 46 News.